Hey everyone, it's Tim from Pixify, your Instant expert for today, and welcome to our tutorial series on getting started with Pixify Instant. In this first video, we'll walk you through the steps on adding a product to your store. Let's get started. After you've logged into your Instant control panel, scroll over the Catalog tab in the navigation bar and click on Products. Next, in the top right-hand corner of your screen, click Add Product. On the next screen, make sure the Attribute Set drop-down is set to Default. Then, under the Product Type drop-down, select the type of product you'll be adding. There are many different product types to choose from, which we'll get into in a later tutorial. For now, let's add a simple product. A simple product is a shippable product that can be sold individually or as part of a grouped, configurable, or bundled product set. An example of a simple product could be a blue, extra-large t-shirt. Let's use this simple product as our example today. Click Continue when you're ready to proceed. Here you can add all the details about your product. Let's name our product XL Blue T-shirt and give it a SKU of XL Blue T-shirt 1. Pixify Instant uses a SKU as an identifier for a product across all stores and websites. Next, add descriptions to your product. The short description appears at the top of the product page, while the general description appears in the center of the product page. For more advanced users, the WYSIWYG editor is a great tool to help customize your descriptions formatting with basic HTML. This is something we'll dive into more in a later tutorial, but for now, let's just fill up the description sections without the help of the WYSIWYG. Next, let's change the status of your product to Enabled. This will make the product visible on your site and allow customers to purchase the product. The Visibility drop-down specifies where you would like your product to be viewed. For this tutorial, we'll select Catalog Search. In future tutorials, we'll dive into the different visibility options, but for now, let's move on. Next, enter in the weight of your product. This is used for shipping calculations and should be set in pounds. We also suggest adding a meta title and a meta description to your product. This information is useful for SEO purposes. You can upload your product images in the Manage Images section at the bottom of the page. First, select an image to upload by clicking Browse Files. When you've found the image you want, click Upload Files. Now you can select where this image will appear on your site. Base image will show up on the product page, small image will appear on the category page, and the thumbnail image will appear in your shopping cart. For this tutorial, we'll select all three so that our image will appear everywhere. When you're finished, click Save and continue Edit. Next, let's enter a price of $10 for our product. If you're running a special sale and want to offer a discount, you can set that up under the Special Price section and set a run date for that promotion. There are other options on this screen that we will cover in future tutorials, but for now, let's just focus on the basics of setting up a product. The Tax Class drop-down indicates whether your product is taxable or not. Select None if your product is not taxable, or if it is, select Taxable Goods. We can disregard shipping for now. Click Save and continue Edit when you're finished. We now see this navigation bar at the top of the page where we can make additional edits so our product will appear on our website. In the Inventory section, we need to add a quantity for how many units of the product you have in stock. Then we need to set Stock Availability to In Stock. This must be updated or your product will not show up on the site. Lastly, click on the Categories tab in the nav bar. For this tutorial, we'll put our product in the men's category. Now click Save. Finally, let's refresh your store by going to Advanced and click Store Refresh. This will update your site to reflect all the changes that we've made today. And that's it. Let's go to the front end and check to see if our product is visible. And there it is. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to add a product to your Instant store. Stay tuned for more useful tutorials that will help you get started with Pixify Instant.